If there's anybody that should know better than to look at a forecast this far out, it should be me. But I can't help it. Here's an early look at the forecast for Dirty Kanza. So all I'm going to really show you is some model data, kind of give you an idea of the general trend at what we're looking at. I'll put up another update next week to help you guys figure out maybe a little better idea of what we're dealing with, but my guess is this is probably not going to change a whole lot. All right, let's take a look at this. So this right here is one of our longer range American weather models, and it is showing temperatures in the low 90s, not a whole lot of wind, as you'd expect this time of the year. Looks to be generally out of the south. And this is the latest model run. But I looked at it this morning real early when I came into work. I'm going to drag this little slider bar here at the bottom and show you what I saw this morning, which was this. Which I saw and I was amazed. An easterly breeze, same time of day, but temperatures in the 70s instead of the low 90s. So model run to model run, vastly different for next Saturday. Not something you like to see that big of a swing, but it is to be expected this far out. All right, let me show you something else. All right, so this is our European counterpart, a different weather model giving its opinion, and it shows plenty of heat for Saturday. Temperatures 90s, approaching triple digits, but again, lots of variability, and it does show some cooler air lurking to the north and west, indicating the potential for a cool down, just depending on the day here. But again, still quite hot on the European model. The general consensus, though, that I'm thinking right now is we're probably looking at above normal temperatures for Dirty Kanza. But what about the chances of rain? I know that's what you really want to know as we head toward Dirty Kanza. So right now, the upper level weather patterns as we get into next weekend is a ridging pattern. And for the most part, that's a good thing because it means predominantly more dry conditions. But even in a ridging pattern, you can still get showers and storms. It's more of that afternoon pop-up, isolated here and there kind of stuff, and then the overnight showers and storms. As we've seen in the past, those overnight showers and storms, even isolated ones, can really wreak havoc on the course. But right now, my bet is hedging more towards a drier event. If we do see showers and storms, they're going to be more isolated. This is not a widespread shower thunderstorm kind of scenario that we're looking at as we get into next week. Again, as I mentioned at the very beginning, it is still so early on. But right now, if I were making my forecast, and I am because I'm riding in this, I can't help but look at it, I'm thinking we are going to be on the warm side, probably seeing temperatures in the 90s unless that previous run of the U.S. GFS model comes through. I wouldn't count on it. I'm betting lower 90s, not a ton of wind, and a relatively dry scenario with the exception of a few of those pop-up showers and storms. We'll make another forecast video for you next week to help you out. Plan hot, and hey, you just got to show up. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.